If you wear your shoes long enough, eventually some of them will develop this common problem. Separation of the outsole from the upper. This particular shoe is coming loose in 3 different locations. The good news is that I have a fantastic solution for this. Affordable, quick, and easy. This shoe has a lot of life left on the outsole, so it's well worth repairing. Recently, I went online looking to replace some old Shoe Goo repair gel or goo that I use fairly frequently, and stumbled upon this product that I have absolutely no affiliation with. It's simply a shoe fix glue. That is the brand name, and it is like super glue for shoes. I think I paid about $15 for this. The reason I am so confident in this product is that back in June, I was wearing a relatively new pair of sandals at the Mohican 100, and after about 35 miles, this particular sandal, I discovered a manufacturing defect where the lower outsole separated from the upper outsole all the way from here back to the midsole, and actually I had separated on the back, both sides of the back as well. So 3 repairs were needed. I'd used the new Shoe Fix glue, professional grade, and it was very quick, like super glue. I let it set overnight, but have since worn this pair of sandals for a lot of trail running miles, errands, etc., and it is holding completely all the way around. Fortunately, manufacturing defects are not that common. Anyhow, on this older shoe, I've got rubber gloves on because this stuff really is like super glue. It can be dangerous to the skin. Once the area is clean, you simply pour some glue in. I'm going to go all the way around the outer edge of the outsole, plus get some in the middle. And then you're going to want to squeeze this nice and tight for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to hit the front, sides, and on the inside front, one more repair for this shoe, and then the heel on its matching shoe for the other foot. This particular pair of shoes has been worn pretty extensively, and then I loaned them out for somebody who wanted to really super test minimalist shoes, and they've really been beaten pretty hard. So those insoles are going in the trash, and here is one repair needed for the matching shoe. So next, I will let this glue set for at least a day, and then I'm going to thoroughly wash this pair of shoes and see how they do. I'll leave follow-up comments under the video relative to how this repair performs. Again, I already know it works really well doing harder outsole to another harder outsole. In this case, I'm going from a hard outsole to a soft upper for the repair, and I'm optimistic. So again, here is the product, professional grade magic. After multiple repairs, there's still a pretty significant amount of glue left in here for future use.